If you're choosing between Coze and Dify, this isn't just AI builder versus AI builder. It's ease of use versus developer flexibility. So, which AI app platform is actually better? Let's break it down. Coze is designed to make AI app creation extremely simple. It gives you a visual workflow builder, plugins, memory, and multi-agent tools, all wrapped in a very beginner-friendly interface. You can build chatbots, assistant, and AI workflows without writing much code. But here's the catch. It's more opinionated. Customization and self-hosting options are more limited compared to developer-focused platforms. Dify takes the opposite approach. It's an open-source AI app development platform focused on flexibility, APIs, and production deployment. It supports advanced workflows, retrieval-augmented generation, model switching, observability, and deep customization, making it much more attractive for developers and companies building serious AI products. The downside is complexity. Compared to Coze, setup and workflow management can feel more technical, especially for beginners. So the real difference is this. Coze helps you build AI apps quickly, while Dify helps you build scalable AI systems with more control. So, which AI app developer is better? Choose Coze if you want fast no-code AI app building with minimal setup. Choose Dify if you want open-source flexibility, deeper workflows, and production-level deployment. Bottom line, Dify is the better platform overall for developers and serious AI products because it offers more control, scalability, and flexibility. But Coze is much easier for beginners, and for quick chatbot creation, it often feels faster and more approachable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.